Hello guys! Another day, another vlog. So today, mga ito na sadmi sa Wallaby. Sa Wallaby, sa dagha kangaroo lab no? So pwede may magpakaon. Ay, kangaroo na din na dito. So pwede may magpakaon dito lab no? Makauna ng mga kangaroo. So, gapo dito kayo, maligaw ang mga bata. Let's go! Okay, mula at na po dyan tuwa kabulinggit. Dili lang magtantam sa among palangga nga galagap may happy tayo little Barbie of Spider-Man.
He's gonna buy me everything. Not for you, but for me.
Hello, Lem. What na?
Papa, where's the sound? Go to left.
Oh, niliko namin. Makakita na dyan si Kimby o kangaroo.
I can't jump.
Mamang palangging. Excited na among mga baby.
I'm scared.
Very good ha. Hindi mag-cry ha. So, mauna ni ang entrance ha. Park Wallaby. So, magpakaon na mga kangaroo.
Yeah, here now. Hello. Wow. This is a wobbly plane.
Wobbly?
Wobbly.
What do you mean wobbly?
The deer like a deer, no? Like a
I'm gonna
small
go
little
first.
snake.
Kuya.
I'm stuck.
Mag-touch ka ng kangaroo, Dalia.
I'm stuck.
Oh, you're stuck also. Okay, help ka ni Mami. So, manaog dumi guys. Kama ito kami.
Papa!
Mga kangaroo.
I'm stuck.
Excited na kayo ang kuya.
Papa, I'm stuck. Here's your glasses.
Papa will help Kimby. Just wait lang. Wait for Papa. Okay.
I
Baba
can't.
na kami. Doon lang guys. Sa among balay. Wala kayo 20 minutes or 30 minutes ba?
Mama gonna get you.
Okay. Don't cry, I got you. So, maanto sa amin sa reception. Oh, there's a cat. Look at that. Welcome, Kimby. Hi. Welcome to Wallaby. Okay, nindot ang kanilang reception area.
What is that?
Good, how are you?
Morning. Okay.
Little kids, have we?
Yeah, they want to see some kangaroos.
What's your name?
What's your name, Kiwi?
Okay.
Francis. Don't you talk God. That's good. And what's this one?
Oh, that's a little cat.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
That's nice. $8 electronic transfer, 1 free. Baby. Now, how did you know about this place?
All our friends like recommend this one.
Right, word of mouth.
Oh, yeah. They're from Christchurch, by the way.
Yeah.
So before mo masulod guys, magbayad mo, then magkuha mo boots diri ah. So look,
Birdie. Wallaby.
let's go to Wallabies.
Yeah.
Now, we're going over there by your car. We go through the green archway.
Oh, yeah.
Hang on, I'll just put my boots on and I'll be over there. Away you go. Come on in, wash hands.
Wash your hands and dry it off.
I'm just gonna wait for the food of the wallaby.
Yeah, we're waiting for the food.
Feed the wallaby. The baby kangaroo.
Okay, go. I take a picture. No, it's a food for the wallaby. Sit down. Okay, give it. Don't touch the chin. It's a wallaby. Yay.
Eat wallaby. Don't stand up, kuya. You sit down. Papa's gonna pack. Wallaby gonna pack, Papa.
Go, kuya. Oh, it's okay. Okay, let's go na. So before mi nag-ato dire, nagsulod jud kay instructionan mi no. So unsaan pagpakaon para dili sila mahadlok. Okay, lab, ready na siya, lab. Ready na ang walabi. Oh, give the food. Gunita ang kamot ni Dalia. Ibutang imong food sa baba. Yan. Good job.
Thank you. You say bye-bye to the wallaby.
Bye-bye, friend. You did a great job.
Tulad na wala ba? Mabigas yung tulog ko yun. Dali, pastor. Gawin na.
Sulod na dito.
Ay, pag-asa ha. Hinahin niya lang.
Oh, that's my boy. Careful. Go, go. Go, go. Good job. Let's go. Bye-bye, Jollibee.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Makalingaw man, hindi sila hadlock effect. Basta sabi ko mag-calm down ka para hindi tayo
Mag-run na si wallaby.
mag-jump din yan.
Dami pupo dito, no?
Kaya nga may botas tayo. Ginapabaro tayo ng botas. Hala, nahanap po dyan yung mga duck.
Len, kuya, yan. Wait lang, kay I'm gonna take picture. Don't move, darling. Don't move, darling. Galit na galit.
Yan. Upo kuya ha, upo.
Wala pa na finish.
Upo lang pag mapinis. Huwag i-move ang kamay para hindi ma-disturb ang wallaby. Oh, your turn, your turn. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Calm down. Hi, wallaby.
No crying, no
It's
crying.
okay. Okay. Oh, feed na, feed.
You, big.
Up.
Oh no.
Dili na sila. Oh, come on na.
Let's go na.
Okay. Good job mga anak. You're so brave. Okay, the wallaby's over there. Look at that. Hello. How about you? Quiet daw kuya oh. Listen. Ang wallaby daw.
Oh, okay, agad na ta.
Okay, let's go.
Distraction to.
Kim, on left.
Ano, sulod ayun. Di ba na mamakagod?
Oo,
Mas
gani.
mahadlok pag wallaby. Sila kayo manok ba?
Sige, i-feed na, i-feed. Hi.
Ito pang feed be.
Hindi rin.
You feed kuya.
Kada.
Hold it. Dagap ka tag pagkaon. Hindi, tagin.
Hatagi kuya.
Busog ba niya? Gutom na siya.
Oh, hatagi. Go. How about Dahlia? Ayaw lang Dahlia. Basi maano yung mata mo. Okay, let's go. Susupa ka?
Dito yung labas layo.
Dahlia, come here.
Kapatay.
Yan, wow. Kaluoy, tanaw. Wala bang isa? Kaluoy na yung gulat. Dito yung isa, tanaw. God. Tanaw na. Kita. Tagay, pag ka na yung duro. Uy.
Ano na? Okay, sorry.
Wallaby! Kimby's waiting. Dugay? Dugay kuya? Dugay man. O, hatag na lang.
Let's go na, let's go.
Tara, let's go na. Bye-bye, peacock.
Babay na pika ko.
Bye-bye. Tap into your face. Okay, papang food. Gwapo kayo mo. Tig farm mo, tanawa yung butas. Malitago na sila na. Ayan na. Oh, it's jumping.
Jumping, darling.
It's looking for you. Look at that one. Wallabies. See? Hey, guys. Oh. Kimby, kamahadlok sila. Ah, ito wallaby. Come on. Kimby, hatagi. Wala, hatagi si Kimby. Dapat. Hold.
Ito, dali.
Si Dalia, kabalo din, ma. Ito. Ito pa, kuya. Okay, go, sit down. Kima. Hindi, dito, the other side. Dito. Dalia, asa man ka, Dalia, dito, oh. Wait lang, wag mag-move, ha?
Hold on, kuya.
Wag mag-move. Oh. Oh, stand up na, kuya, wala na. Okay.
Ulam.
Ikaw mag-video.
Hello, this kangaroo. It's a bunny. Not a kangaroo. Bunny.
Ayaw na, kuya. Quiet, Daya, quiet. You need to be quiet. Basahan daw na. No entry. I don't know. Yeah.
Ito sa kinadsan.
Okay.
Ano pa itong $40?
Sige lang, good. Kita matag mga chicken. Ito. Chicken. And then there's another chicken. Farm life. Sakwala. She's looking for the baby kangaroos. Diba, Popo? Ayan, oh.
Okay lang.
It's okay lang?
Oh. Like, after it, time out na.
Wallabies. Feeding wallabies.
Yeah.
Hapit na tayo eh. Bye-bye, wallabies. Look at that one. Ta-da! Si Kuya na Pupu. Di ko siya talawa siya mula kaulab.
Are you kidding me?
Go there. Careful. Sit down lang ha, pag magpa-feed.
Don't sit down dyan, anak lang.
Sit down na. Wait. Don't move. Let Wallaby eat all the food before you move. Oh, don't move, kuya. That's what I like you ba. Kaya brave ka masyado. Wala na, stand up na. Ay, napa isa.
Pakabulong ka.
Napo sila chicken. Cute ka. Ayaw, gamatisoy. Cute. Niabot na dyan mi sa balay. Kapoy mi, but happy kay na-enjoy na mo. Ang day off ni Papa po, naglaag-laag mi. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And see you sa aming next vlog. Bye!